Gone are the times when we have to go to a photo studio to get a picture done. Now, all we need is right in our pockets, from sending photos to securing memories, all right at our fingers. However, as we create memories along the way, what we as an audience lack are the right photo sharing sites to cloud store, secure, and share these precious photos, and this is where eShare.ai, a free photo storage, comes into play. It's the best photo storage for Mac users to save their images and protect them from the damage caused by physical photographs over time. Although there are numerous photo sharing sites, here's why we think eShare.ai is the best cloud-based photo storage. How is eShare.ai the best photo storage for Mac users? Cross-platform compatibility. eShare.ai ensures seamless performance on Mac systems by being browser-based and easily accessible via desktop and mobile apps. Furthermore, it bridges device gaps, ensuring users can switch between their Mac, iPhone, or other devices without disruptions. Automatic backup. With automatic photo backup, eShare.ai saves users from manually data sharing or safeguarding their files. This feature ensures continuous data protection, even in the event of device failure, accidental deletion, or software crashes. Mac users, particularly photographers, benefit greatly from knowing their work is automatically preserved on a secure cloud. It minimizes the risk of data loss and eliminates the need for frequent manual storage updates. Advanced photo organization. eShare.ai incorporates cutting-edge tools like facial recognition and keyword tagging to help users easily sort through extensive photo collections. These features are invaluable for photographers and creative professionals managing large libraries, as they significantly reduce the time spent searching for specific images. The platform is the best free cloud storage for photos because it simplifies the process of categorizing and locating photos, making organization a breeze. Such automation aligns perfectly with the productivity-focused nature of macOS users. Generous free storage with scalability. eShare.ai provides users with 5 GB of free storage, which is ideal for casual photographers and those starting their digital archiving journey. The platform offers affordable scaling options for advanced users, making it a cost-effective alternative to other cloud storage solutions. This adaptability allows users to start small and expand as their needs grow, offering flexibility without upfront investment in costly cloud storage systems. Efficient collaboration tools. The platform excels in its file sharing capabilities, enabling users to create shared albums or generate secure, customizable links. Best photo storage for Mac, especially those in creative industries, can collaborate seamlessly with clients or family members. Additional features like password protection and link expiration dates enhance security during file sharing, ensuring private images remain safeguarded while accessible to intended recipients. Robust security measures. eShare.ai prioritizes data safety with military-grade encryption to protect user photos. This ensures that private data remains inaccessible to unauthorized users and secure from cyber threats. For professionals handling sensitive images or anyone concerned about privacy, these security protocols make eShare.ai a trustworthy choice for storing precious memories or work portfolios. Intuitive interface tailored for Mac users. eShare.ai offers a sleek and user-friendly interface designed for both tech-savvy users and beginners. It integrates smoothly into macOS, reflecting the system's emphasis on intuitive, elegant design. Whether organizing personal photos or managing professional collections, Mac users will find eShare.ai easy to navigate and tailor to their workflows, enhancing overall productivity. So what are you waiting for? Get started in your photo saving, security, and sharing journey today with eShare.ai, your data luggage partner everywhere you go. For our users, we also have a special option where you can pick your custom cloud storage package tailored to your needs, so all your requirements are met and exceeded second expectations. Sign up now.